Introducing the Genius Tools Torque Extension Bar Set, a handy way to reach fasteners in difficult places. Made from chrome vanadium steel with a polished finish, the Genius Tools Torque Extension Bar Set is designed to provide high strength and durability while having anti-corrosive properties. This set includes 10 pieces of torque extension bars with different torque ratings, from 65 foot-pounds to 150 foot-pounds. Each bar is designed to flex with each blow of the impact wrench once the specified torque is reached, preventing over-torquing and damage to the fastener or the socket. The clear and permanent size markers are stamped on the tool for easy identification and organization. The bars are also color-coded for easy recognition. Rated to meet or exceed ANSI specifications, Genius Tools backs up its quality with a limited lifetime warranty, protecting you against any manufacturer defects. You can trust Genius Tools to provide an accurate and effective set of tools at a reasonable cost. Genius Tools, built for pros, made for life.